Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Know the instance name and whether you use Windows or SQL authentication. Once done, lock the server to a static IP or a DHCP reservation so the address won't change. Next, open SQL Server Configuration Manager and enable TCP/IP. That exposes the database over the network. Make sure to note the TCP port, default 1433, or a custom port if set. You need these facts before moving to firewall rules and client connection strings. Now configure the network path. Add a Windows firewall inbound rule permitting TCP on port 1433 or your custom port, and restrict scope to the server IP for security. Then, set the SQL Server network binding to the server's IP and correct port in the TCP/IP properties. This ensures it listens on that address rather than all interfaces. After making changes, restart the SQL Server service. Once restarted, verify listening with Netstat or PowerShell GetNet TCP connection. This confirms the server is reachable on the expected IP and port. On the client, build the connection string using the server IP and port. For example, server equals 192.0.2.10.1433 instance, then include database and credentials. Next, test the link in SQL Server Management Studio or with SQL CMD. If you set a non-default instance, include the instance name after the \. Once connected, validate permissions and run a simple query. If connection fails, check port forwarding, NAT, VPN, router rules, and verify the SQL browser service and firewall scope.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.